DEERC Drone with camera, 2K HD FPV, live video, 2 batteries, and carrying case. RC Quadcopter helicopter for kids and adults, gravity control, altitude hold, headless mode, waypoints functions. About this item. User-friendly. D10 is extremely user-friendly that comes with one key, start/landing, altitude hold, headless mode, speed adjustment functions, adapts to all experience levels even for kids and beginners. 3D flips function makes flight attractive even for the drone newbies. Farther and clearer, this drone provides smooth FPV transmission within a range of up to 80 m. You can capture and record 2K HD aerial footage and share it instantly on social media through DEERC app. Considerate design, D10 drone can be folded up into a compact and portable shape, fit easily into a backpack, perfect to take it travel. Comes with 2 modular batteries that support up 24 to 30 minutes play. For propeller guards that fully protects the propellers and improves flight safety. Advanced features. Waypoints flying is the newest technology that by drawing a flight course on your smartphone, the drone will fly accordingly. Show your palm or V sign to the front camera, D10 will automatically take a photo or video. Intelligent control. You can control the drone through the built-in G sensor, adjusting the vertical and horizontal of on smartphone without a remote controller, or control your drone with simple voice commands like takeoff, landing, left, right, forward, backward,